When planning to do your MBA, the school that you pick is of utmost importance. Your future prospects and life entirely depend on which college you study from. A degree from one of the best business schools in the world gives you the platform and education that will pave the way for a successful career. Whether you want to join a multinational company or start your own venture, your business school will determine your future. To help you make the right decision, here is a list of the best business schools in the world that ensure a brighter and bigger future. Best business schools in the world. Number 1. Stanford University. Located in the heart of Northern California in the USA, Stanford University is ranked first among the top 10 universities all over the world. Once you get your MBA from the Graduate School of Business here, you will be employed in one of the top companies in the world. What is Stanford known for? Stanford has developed a reputation as one of the country's great institutions of higher education, consistently ranking in the top 10 national universities. In addition to outstanding academics, Stanford is known for its great return on investment and entrepreneurial student body. Number 2. Harvard University. Harvard University's alumni are like no other, from U.S. presidents to billionaires, Nobel Prize winners to Academy Award winners. The school is known to create leaders. The graduates from here form the crème of the crowd as they get their degree from one of the best business schools in the world. Harvard University was the first institution of higher education established in the New World. Being the first university in America, its reputation was established as the sole place where one could get a degree. At those times, only the elite of society could afford to attend a university. Number 3. University of Pennsylvania. The average salary of a graduate from here is the US $125,000, which is one of the highest ever. Founded by Benjamin Franklin, Penn stands as one of the world's best business schools to date. UPenn has been named the top school nationwide in terms of undergraduate business programs. More specifically, UPenn has also been ranked first for its program offerings in the areas of business management, finance, and real estate, coming in second place for its business marketing programs. Number 4. London Business School. London Business School is one of the best business schools for masters in the world and the best in Europe. It gives students a chance to interact with world-renowned organizations, businesses and leaders. London Business School (LBS) takes the prestigious title of the world's business school for 2022, that's according to the CEO World magazine. MIT Sloan School of Management earned itself a respectable second place, with Wharton School is ranked third. Number 5. MIT. The school offers a 2-year MBA program that has a very global outlook. 95% of the graduates finish school with full-time offers. While MIT is perhaps best known for its programs in engineering and the physical sciences, other areas, notably economics, political science, urban studies, linguistics, and philosophy, are also strong. Admission is extremely competitive, and undergraduate students are often able to pursue their own original research.